you can make up to 40% off the sale. For example, if a product price is $100, you will get direct $40 without any fees or any cutting. So for that, you simply need to go to the website TradingBotLab. Here under the more option, you will see affiliate program. On this page, you will see all these details like the scaling commission structure. It's very important to understand. So in the start, you will get 20% of first sale entry. It's a very good commission level, 20% on your first sale, and on every sale it will be increasing by 1%, and once you make 20 sales you will reach at 40% of price. So by this way you can increase your revenue, you can increase your profit share percentage. And here below you can see the details. The most important thing is lifetime earning. There is no limit. Once you joined, once you referred someone, and that client will be under your profile forever, under your affiliate ID forever. And the scaling commission, and the one more important thing is the 90-day of cookies tracking. For example, if someone click today and that user go back not register his account, just click on your affiliate link and then go back, that's it. And after like 2 months or 2.5 months, that user come back, register an account, and then make purchases, and that user will be under your affiliate ID, and you will earn commission for that user as well. And the unlimited earning, there is no limit. We don't hold your payment for longer. We just do few small verifications and then hand over your amount to you. And finally, you can check your real time dashboard. And now here you need to apply to become partner. So first of all, you need to put your name. For example, I put my name is TradingBotLab, and how I will promote this link, I will use like a Telegram group and Facebook, and apply to become an affiliate. So once your application approved, you will get a link. So for now the application is received and your referral code is like this one. To get your affiliate link, you simply need to go to your profile, and here the affiliate progress, you will see your affiliate progress here. So for now your account is not verified as the affiliate manager, so that's why you are redirected to the same page on the affiliate. So once your application approved, you will see a new page under the affiliate progress. On that page you will find your link, and you will be able to do deep analysis of clicks, sign-ups, and commissions, and everything related to your link in more depth. I hope you understand exactly how you can join our affiliate program and how much benefits you will get from our side. For now, that's it. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye.